Here's your complete beginner's guide on your Google Pixel 9a. So first of all, let's turn on this phone. You may do this by locating this power button on the right side of your phone. So tap on it. If you have any password or not, simply swipe it down and you are in. So let's explore the physical layout. On the front panel, this phone features a 120 Hz OLED display with a high brightness, which quite a good option for the phone of this price range. At the top, right here, like right here, the speaker is hidden right here, and at the bottom, here the speaker is in a more obvious place. We'll find microphone speakers, a USB-C port for charging. Quite a great thing. On the back panel, we have our plastic body with a dual camera setup and a flash. Also, this phone supports your wireless charging, which is a great thing. So, to go to the home screen, we are to swipe up. There we'll see. Oh, by the way, this is our app screen. The home screen is already here. So here we can add a lot of things from your app screen. If you're gonna hold it, you can, let me show it to you, you can add up some widgets, you can add up some wallpapers or change the home settings. So many things to do. As I already said, you can move your icons, you can move your widgets, you can use your Google search bar, which is the default in the Google phone, of course. If you want to install new apps, you gotta find your Google Play Store, so open it up. You'll find a lot of different cool apps, games, whatever you're planning to use this phone, because this phone is quite versatile. For the most adjustments in your phone, you are gonna do this through your settings. So look at your settings on your home screen or simply in your app screen. Here you have many different settings which give your phone quite a customability. So for example, if we're gonna open up our display, we can set up our auto screen rotate smooth displayness, right? So we can raise the refresh rate up to 120 Hz despite it uses a bit of a battery and do many other things. Also, do not forget that all of the Android phones have their updates from time to time. So if there are any update, do not forget that to open up your system. Then scroll to software update. There I have a pending update, so tap here and it's gonna be installed. Press restart now and the update is gonna be installed. I really recommend you updating because this brings your phone a lot of different functions and features books. If you want to close all the apps which are running in the background and you don't want to have that to happen, open up your recent app menu and close them one by one, or swipe down to the right and press clear all and they're gonna be all closed. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Enjoy this phone. Please consider subscribing to our channel. Have a great day.